This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Hattie Brawley. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Sitting in the heart of Somerville. Oversized in/family room. Updated kitchen, with new countertop and backsplash. Large basement. Roof is 3 years old. HVAC is less than 6 months old. New floors. New gutters. Double garage. Nice size storage building, that is alarmed and monitored. For more information, review the details below or contact Hattie Brawley at 901-861-4808.